Hello. So, I got told, well, I already screwed it up. Oh well, feeling like this. So many people actually, wanted to get their joystick pad back on. So there it is. Yours might not look like this. I didn't do the repair to mine. I have another one. Well, it's not mine, it's a friend's. The channel is not only me, mostly me. One of them basically quit. But yeah, this is the last switch. This one does not have the repair. I might actually have to do the repair because I just pulled them off and picked at them and stuff. We'll make it do what the video, what's it called? The Nintendo Switch fixing bumps video. It's not focused. Focus. Oh, you got a good shot. You got a shot. So, to put them on, this will be kind of difficult. Never actually done it myself, but it should work out. So, I'm going to try many methods. One, I'm going to try lining them up. That's probably the first step to get everything done. Lining these little pads up with this. This will be difficult. Just gonna rotate it until I feel it snapping. Ooh, snapped in somewhat. This will be a pain. Why, Nintendo? Why does it have to be so hard? There. Well, now I have the bumps. That's what happens when you don't put it on correctly. You get the bumps. But, to do it, it's very difficult to get out these bumps. But since you remove the outer edges, it should be much easier. You turn it inside out, like this, push on it, and you put it on one side, and you stretch it out, and push it around the other corners. I did a bad job here, but I got it to work. I should probably get lined up, so I don't want to do this tons of times. Oh, never mind. Yeah, it's a little tricky. You gotta turn it inside out, lift up the edges and pop them in place. Well, that's somewhat on. It's very off. That's what they should look like. I screwed up. Yeah, but that's how you basically do it. Get it lined up and turn it inside out. So I'll do it again because this is really annoying. Here's your notches. Never tried this. Once again, place it in. Oop, where did that go? Okay. So you line it up. Which I didn't line it up. Ooh, here we go. It looks bad. Well, it should be easier. You need to line it up, get one side in, and push it around the corners. Yeah, I don't have many editing tools right now. I'm on my phone again, but so this video, I'm not going to take that long. So, yeah, there you go. Yeah.